guys, welcome to Life and Love in the Philippines. I'm in my car. And I've been talking a little bit about we're going to work on the turn signal light. And it's this driver's side turn signal light. This light here should be blinking when I turn on my left signal. And my left signal is on now, and it's not working. So we're going to take this off. We're going to get that light out of there. I've got a new light up here that we're going to put in, and we'll show you the process. So that's what we're going to do. Stay tuned. We got more coming. Tell me you didn't.
No, it just shut off just when you was.
We got all that?
Yeah.
Are you positive?
Yeah.
I don't want to move on without it.
I know.
Alright, so we're going to stick it in there just to find out. Try black on bottom first. I want to know which orientation we need. Turn on the key. Turn on the light. Might have to start it up. Alright. So obviously that's not it. We'll try for the center one. There we go. That's working. So that's what we need to do. We need to get the center one. And since this wire, this light is no good, I'm going to take, I'm going to see if I can't do it first without having to do that. What I'm talking about is this should actually kind of mount in there, and when you slide the whole housing on there, when you got the original part, it just kind of all slides and snaps together. That's not going to happen this time. We're going to have to do that manually and still get it on there and all that good stuff. That's why we need to know which one's the right. So black on bottom with 2 center holes. Black on bottom, 2 center holes. Just like that. But we need to put it into the housing first. So, peel off the paper, protective coating, that off of here. And get it into the housing. So, got to go in there like this. These prongs here got to slide up under those, and then these 2 holes here got to be mounted right there. This is obviously Chinese stuff. We never know how that's going to work out. Still got a little paper on it. Get that out of there first. Still got a little bit of protective film on it. Didn't get it all. Alright, so let me get that up in here. Those prongs got to go underneath those. I'll work it, Mike. Got to go underneath. underneath. Now, what I'm saying is these two holes are just a little bit so I told you with Chinese stuff. You can't buy this part from Mercedes-Benz anymore. This is a 2001 Amg S55. It's 5.5 liter with the rounded corner housing on the outside. They would ask if it was square or rounded. Mine's rounded. They did order me one light, but it was the wrong light. I knew as soon as they handed me the box it was wrong. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. And it's got a little star bit on it. And I'm going to go round it out a little bit. Because it's not exactly lined up. It's going to work, but it's not exactly lined up. And I'm just going to kind of work it over a little bit. Do that on both sides. We just have to do it, check it, and go about it like that. Alright guys, so I rounded this out just a little bit. Chinese, they don't know how to measure. And they don't know how to do much of nothing really. They don't want to be honest, except for hack and steal intellectual property. But and a couple other things I don't want to mention for political reasons. But anyway, this is not a political channel. Got it in there. And it's gonna be fine, okay? But this is not the same connector that I have on the old light, wherever I managed to put that at, right here. The connectors are different. There still is two prongs down in there. There's two prongs. And whenever I was looking at the pictures, I was at first thinking that, well, mine's not like that. It's the other way around. Well, it's not. There is two prongs in there. So, this is the female and this is the male. And so this is the male here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slip it up on there just a little bit. And it's going to allow me enough room to plug it in. Theoretically. Gotta get it in the right hole. I'm not in the right hole. Alright. Well, we're in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape this with some black tape. I got some black tape right here. And I'm going to tape it. And for obvious reasons. So we'll get back to you because I'm going to need Mr. Phil to hold the housing for me while I get some tape on it. So we'll come back. Alright guys, so we've got it taped. Now we're going to just slide it up on there. Got to make sure your other wire on, come on around this way. There's a wire right here, and this goes to the mirror. It's got a heated mirror, and then it's got an adjustable mirror here.